Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to be talking about some secret websites that can make you money doing absolutely nothing. Okay, I know that sounds too good to be true, right? Well, quick disclaimer before we get into this video. I'm not going to be here telling you you can make money in your sleep without doing absolutely anything. However, I'm going to be sharing a strategy that you can absolutely use to activate that sleep money. The key word here is activate. This means you need to take some form of action to get those results. So if you guys are just looking for something that will make you money doing nothing, then this is not the video for you. But if you are looking for a real business model that can generate you long-term wealth based on your short-term efforts right now, then this is the video for you. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys some amazing websites that you can use to start generating that long-term income doing absolutely nothing. So now we got that out of the way. If you're still here watching, then let me just switch over to my computer right now and share the strategies with you guys step by step, okay? Okay, so the first website I'm going to be sharing with you guys today that can generate you income doing absolutely nothing moving forward, of course, is Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. So Amazon have this program called the KDP program, which basically allows you to publish your own books on Amazon. You can sell anything from ebooks, templates, journals, planners, so many different types of products using the KDP program. You can even sell paperback copies of your book as well. This is a strategy that I personally use myself, and I've been using this platform since around 2017, 2018, when I published my first ever paperback book on Amazon. The beauty about Amazon KDP is the fact that you can publish anything from long form paperback books to short ebooks. I'm talking ebooks as short as 50 pages long, and even short form content, low content publishing products like planners, templates, and just really easy to create products that you can start selling on Amazon KDP over and over again. And as you guys can see, this is a strategy that I personally use myself. I've got multiple books being sold on Amazon right now, from paperback copies to short form ebooks. So this is a paperback motivational guide for moms, 365 days of, motivational tips and self-care tips just to help moms feel good about themselves. And this is over, I think, about 300 pages long, as you can tell. So this is quite a long book. It is a paperback book, but you don't have to go ahead and actually create a long form book like I did, of course. You can just start with a short form PDF file, okay? If you wanted to launch your own ebook or your own paperback copy, that's actually fine too, but it just takes longer to put those components together if you're just getting started as a beginner trying to make some quick cash online. Now, the Online Boutique CEO, as you guys can see, this is a book that was actually published in 2019, and it's still actually one of my best sellers right now. And, this is just proof that you can create a product one time, put it out there. You can see it's got over 70 ratings, and this book is still bringing me passive income every single day. I'm still generating sales, guys, from a book that was written and published in 2019. This book was actually created one time, okay? Of course, I have made a few updates, but that's just updating the book with any new information and any changes or anything that's no longer relevant since 2019, of course. But that only takes a few minutes to go at the back office and just re-upload a new template, guys. It's honestly that simple. 2019, this is 5 years later. We're in 2024 now, and this book is still bringing me money every single day. As you can see, there's a PDF version, which is the Kindle version, and there's also a paperback copy, which is obviously slightly more expensive because of the printing costs and things of that nature. So this is just to show you guys that you can use this platform to sell your digital products, guys. Not only books, you can do planners, journals. People are selling like low content products here on Amazon Kindle right now, and there's nothing stopping you guys from just uploading a digital product here or even a physical product for sale and then generating that passive income over and over again in the future, doing absolutely nothing, okay? And if you guys need help obviously creating your own digital products, I did another video, I'll link it here somewhere, showing you guys how you can actually go ahead and create your own ebook step by step from scratch. And if you don't have the time to create your own ebooks, digital products, planners, templates from scratch, guys, you can literally just visit this platform called Digital World Flippers. This platform already provides you with done for you digital products, okay? I'm talking things like ebooks, planners, templates that you can literally just purchase for a one-time fee, and then you can resell these products as your own. You can change the covers, you can edit any content that you wish, you can add any upsells, any affiliate links that you want to add within the product, and then you can sell these products on Amazon, guys, and start generating that passive income over and over again in the fastest time possible, okay? This is the easiest way to start selling digital products that you never have to create yourself from scratch, okay? And like I said, you can see there's templates, there's planners, there's so many different products here that you can literally purchase one-time fee. Think about it, guys. If you wanted to sell blood sugar planner, guys, is $10. That's your one-time lifetime investment. You don't have to go through the stress of trying to create that product from scratch yourself. And you can list that product on sale on Amazon, guys, and start generating income over and over again in the future, doing absolutely nothing. Okay. So another platform that you guys can use to actually generate income online doing nothing moving forward, of course, is none other than the platform that you are watching this video on right now. So YouTube, guys, is an amazing platform that not only allows content creators to put out amazing content, just helping people, educating people, entertaining people, and things of that nature, but you as a content creator on YouTube has the potential to generate income from ads that are placed within and during or after your videos. So if you guys are watching my videos here, you've probably already watched an ad prior to even watching this video, or maybe you are going to watch an ad at some point of watching this video. What is happening is YouTube is actually paying me some money for, just getting people to come to the platform and check out these videos. You get compensated for just creating amazing content like the one I'm creating right now. And in exchange for that, YouTube can actually pay you some money by just displaying ads on your videos, right? So this is how a lot of creators on YouTube are actually able to make money, guys. And the beauty about it, and the reason why this is so passive, is the fact that you can create a video one time, and then that video can continue to make you money over and over and over again, doing absolutely nothing from that one old piece of content. Okay, so here's an example here of my YouTube channel. As you guys can see, I've been on here since 2016, but it wasn't until 2017 that I started to, actively publish a lot of videos. So you can see right here, I have this, one of my most popular videos was back in 2017. It's still getting views, it's still getting commissions and earnings to this particular day right now as we speak. So you can see this is one of my older videos that was actually created back in 2017, right, which is over 7 years ago. And this video, guys, is still bringing in AdSense income till this day. If you watch that video, there's going to be ads displayed within that video, and I'm still getting paid every time somebody goes on the internet searching for this information on where to find wholesale vendors. They watch my videos, I get paid. I remember there was a time when I was pregnant with my second daughter. I took a break off, my business, everything, for like 3 months. And one of my biggest streams of income was from my YouTube channel. And I was still getting paid from my older videos, guys, like this one, for example, 2017, 2018, 2020. These are old videos that are still bringing in income. Every time I get people watching these videos, I get paid. And it's just organic free traffic because YouTube is a search engine. So people are searching for these videos. I'm not promoting these videos, guys. That's the beauty about it. And that's what makes it so passive. So if you can dedicate a few hours a week just creating valuable content out here on YouTube that people are searching for, guys, you have the potential to make a ton of money moving forward doing absolutely nothing. However, you must be committed and dedicated to creating that content in the first place, and it's just going to start building that momentum in the future moving on. Okay. Another website that can make you money doing absolutely nothing in the long run is none other than Funnelfire. You guys know Funnelfire is my baby. This is actually a system that I personally created myself to help people create money online in the fastest time possible, even as a complete beginner. So at Funnelfire, we have different products that you can actually purchase, from digital marketing courses, done for you PLR digital products that you can sell as your own and keep 100% profit, and also done for you websites that have already been created for you, preloaded with dropshipping products, affiliate products, and other digital products that you can sell and start making money. Okay, so how do you make money from this platform doing absolutely nothing? So with Funnelfire, you can actually become an affiliate. So this means you can actually recommend this platform to other people out there who need help starting their online business and making money online. And every time you send this platform to someone through your affiliate link, guys, you can earn 50 cents for just recommending this platform to someone. Now, you're probably wondering, how do I make money then, without doing anything, if I'm still having to recommend this platform to people, right? When you send your link to someone and that person signs up, you earn 50 cents for just bringing that new lead. Here's the beauty about the strategy, guys. When you get that new lead on board, we do all the selling, we do all the upselling, we jump on the calls. Everything is done for you at the back end. So you only have to, like I said, you need to activate the passive income streams for this to work. So you will need to go out there and actually promote your link. It shouldn't take you over a few minutes a day to do this, guys. Like, you're probably already on your phone browsing random cat videos on social media. If you just spend 15 minutes a day just posting your link in your stories, hey guys, come check out this, amazing platform that can help you make money online. Every time you get a new lead, we do all the selling, guys. Everything is done at the back end, and then you start to generate income over and over again, doing absolutely nothing, okay? And you can also make money, guys, just completing simple tasks, okay? Moving forward as well, which shouldn't really take much of your time. But the point here is, as an affiliate, guys, you can make money doing absolutely nothing once you've brought a new lead on board. And then if they go on to upgrade, guys, you can earn anything from fixed commissions to recurring commissions. We have members who brought leads, 3 months ago, and they're still making money from leads that they brought 3 months ago because they've purchased one of our recurring packages at the back end, and our members are able to generate recurring commissions over and over again, doing absolutely nothing from that one person that they brought to the platform months ago. And this is why this platform is so powerful. You're not only able to learn how to make money online, but the systems and done for you systems at the back end that have also been created, guys, to help you generate income without having to trade your time for dollars, okay? So if you guys love the idea of helping other people make an income on the internet, then this is the best platform to check out. I'll leave a link below this video or on the screen here. Check out Funnelpire, amazing website. All the reviews are there on the website. You can go through the reviews and testimonials, and hopefully, we can welcome you on board too, okay? Another website you guys can use to make money doing absolutely nothing is none other than Airbnb. Listen, Airbnb, when it comes to property, Airbnb is the best way to get into the property market without owning properties. If you don't want to, there's so many different strategies here, guys. You don't have to buy property if you don't want to. You can literally just rent, okay, from a landlord, come to some form of agreement with that landlord, and then you can literally sublet that property. Let me not use the word sublet, because subletting is actually illegal. But if you're doing it with the permission of your landlord, of course, and this is why you have to do it with the right contracts in place and things of that nature, you can start making passive income with this strategy. Now, I know what you're thinking. How do I make passive income with Airbnb? Like, who's going to be doing the cleaning? Who's going to be getting the clients, doing all the paperwork? All those services can be outsourced, and that's how you can make this thing passive, guys. Your job is literally just to get that property. This is a strategy that this year I recently just started myself. I've recently just started, getting into Airbnb myself, because property is something that I've always been looking into. And honestly, a lot of the services can be outsourced. So you don't have to sit here, you don't have to check people in. There's actually, a lot of devices and trackers that you can actually plug into the properties to allow people to do self-service check-ins and check-out. It's a strategy that you can actually outsource, which makes it very passive for you, because you don't have to be there. You don't have to go there to clean the property. You just find another company that handles all the management, cleaning. They do all of that for you. You pay them their own cut, and you sit back and you make that passive income. Okay, so that's another platform, guys, for those of you guys who will love the idea of getting into property, or maybe you already have a spare room in your home, right? Maybe you live in a home, you've got a spare room, or you have a property that's just sitting there. Maybe you're thinking about even selling that property. It's actually better to rent it out as an Airbnb on a short stay led basis, because it's actually going to make you more money. Like, people are happy to pay hotel prices every single night for Airbnbs just to get that convenience of being in a home away from home. So another website that you guys can use to make money online doing absolutely nothing, and I've talked about this in one of my previous videos, is Facebook. Now, there's so many people out here on Facebook that do not know that Facebook actually have an ads program where they pay creators money, right? So all the shorts that you're watching on Facebook, all those reels, there's someone out there making some money out of it. So if you've been wondering how they make money on Facebook, this is exactly how they're doing it, guys. It's very similar to the YouTube strategy I talked about. You simply create video and content on Facebook, right? Well, video content, really. Facebook then plays ads, okay, within your video, within your content. And then every time somebody watches your reels, your short form content, or your videos on Facebook, Facebook pays you a commission. Okay, so they have two different types of ad programs that you can join. They have the in-stream ads, and then they also have the ads on Facebook Reels. I think the ads on Facebook Reels actually requires them to invite you to the program, so you cannot actually apply for the ads on Facebook Reels. So you must be invited to join the program, as you can see right here. If you are on Facebook right now and you're already creating content, this is a great way to start making some money, just monetizing content that you are already creating on Facebook right now, okay? So check out the Facebook in-stream ads program. When you start creating consistent videos on Facebook and building your following, you will eventually get invited for the ads on Facebook Reels as well. And this means you can start making that little extra money on the side whilst just creating content and just doing what you are already doing right now, guys. And again, if you guys don't qualify for those programs, I actually did one of my videos. I will link it somewhere here, sharing with you guys an even better way, guys, that you can make money with Facebook Reels and without necessarily using the ads on Facebook Reels or the in-stream ads. So if you love the idea of making money on Facebook, guys, passively, but you don't qualify for those programs, I'm going to link the video here somewhere on the screen or below this video. You can check out an amazing strategy that anybody can use to make money on Facebook, even if you're just getting started from scratch and you don't meet the criteria to be eligible to this, programs just yet. Okay. And last but not least, another platform that you guys can absolutely check out to make money online doing nothing is none other than clickbank.com. So ClickBank is actually an affiliate marketing marketplace where you can actually find a ton of different products that other sellers have already created and that you can now promote, okay, and earn commissions moving forward. Now, the beauty about ClickBank is the fact that you can tap into other people's products and commissions are much, much higher than a majority of other affiliate platforms out here that I've seen before. So what you want to do here, guys, is you want to go and just pick a category that you're passionate about. It's really important to go for a niche that you are passionate about. You don't want to go out there promoting the product that you have no interest in. And like I said before, some initial work is required for this to work, okay? But once you start getting those leads, everything else can be passive and automated at the back end. So let's just use this one as an example. Java Burn, I don't know what the product is, but it seems to be a weight loss product. So that's a weight loss coffee, right? And as you can see right here, they have pouches. And the beauty about products like this, and this is what I would recommend for you guys who want to make money online doing nothing moving forward, is to promote products that actually offer you a recurring commission. I'm talking about products that you can continue to make money every single month. So a product like this, people are going to run out of their product and then they're going to come back the next month to buy even more. You can see 30-day supply, 90-day, 180. They're going to come back to buy products like this over and over again. This means if you have just one lead, you already have the potential to keep making money over and over and over again from that one lead. And you only have to do the hard work initially to bring that new lead on board. But once you've actually gotten that new lead, everything else is just going to be passive because they're going to keep paying for those products every single month. And for as long as they're active, you are going to keep making money every single month doing absolutely nothing. I use this strategy with a lot of the products that I recommend to my clients as well, from web hosting. There's so many different affiliate products that I'm currently promoting right now that are bringing me monthly recurring income doing absolutely nothing. It's honestly the best way to make money, especially when business is slow or you're just looking for something on the side that can keep bringing you that revenue every single month. And again, like I said, you can make that money doing absolutely nothing, guys. Okay, so guys, there you have it. Websites that can make you money doing absolutely nothing. Let me know in the comment section below this video which of these websites you're going to be checking out, which of the strategies you are going to be trying out. And if you love videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I cannot wait to see you guys in my next video. Bye.